Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate investing from Paycheck with Empower Personal Dashboard, full guide step by step clearly. Open the Empower Personal Dashboard on your preferred device. Log in using your credentials. Once logged in, navigate to the investing section from the main menu. Click on the Activate Investing button. You will see options for investing directly from your paycheck. Select the option that suits your financial goals. Enter the percentage or amount of your paycheck you wish to invest. Review the investment options presented to you. Choose your preferred investment strategy or portfolio. Confirm your selection by reviewing the summary. Click on the Confirm button to activate your investments. Once confirmed, you will receive a notification of successful activation. Check your dashboard to monitor your investment progress regularly. Adjust your investment settings as needed by returning to the investing section. Stay informed about market trends to make better investment decisions. Consider setting reminders to review your investments periodically. Utilize the educational resources provided within the dashboard to enhance your investment knowledge. Make any adjustments to your contributions as your financial situation changes. Celebrate the progress you make as you grow your investments over time. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.